Preschool Puppy. Do 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 do. Hello. Today on Preschool Puppy, we're teaching our humans how to collect monies for donations. Humans need monies to buy all kinds of things, like puppy books and puppy laptops, for puppies to do good at school. Let's get started. Step 1. Dress your human. Step 2. Go ask your other human friends to donate. Remember, they need to write their email address very clearly. Step 3. Take your list to your puppy school. Remember, you can earn all kinds of prizes like a good belly rub or cash. After a long day of hard work, it's time to relax. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Preschool Puppy out.